Hey there, it's Flatbread Friday, and today we're going to have something called an early harvest Italian flatbread. And that's because I had some salami, I had some pepperoni, my garden is brimming with oregano and basil, and I also have a couple of jalapeno peppers that I picked. So I have pickled them, and that's going to be part of this video. And so they're going to take the place of banana peppers. So we're going to build this pizza. We're going to take the fresh herbs and mix it with the cheese, and we're going to put the meats on and some sauce, and we're going to top it up with some onions and some pickled jalapeno peppers, and then we're going to top the whole thing off with a little bit of salad at the end. So let's go. I wish I had some banana peppers for our Italian pizza, and I don't, and I'm not going to the store, but what I do have, and this is why we're calling it early harvest Italian pizza. I have these 2 jalapeno peppers from my garden. Those are the only 2 that have grown. This one isn't quite mature yet. And I'm going to pickle these and turn them into, sort of banana peppers. So here we go. We have equal parts vinegar and sugar that we're going to stir and heat up to the boiling point until the sugar is all dissolved. And then I have to do another trick because I have some pickling spices, but I don't have any cheesecloth. So we're going to do something really fun. What I've done is cut up the jalapenos. I took some of the middles out, but I left some of the middles in. And I put them in a cup. And we're going to put a little salt and pepper. Then we're going to take a coffee filter and put it in the cup, like so. And sprinkle in our pickling spices. And now our liquid is ready. So we're going to pour that in. And we're going to let these guys steep in the pickling liquid with the pickling spices on the side. And in we go. Slowly and carefully so we don't lose some of our filter. And that is my remedy for having no cheesecloth to pickle these jalapenos. Again, early harvest. We have some basil and oregano. I'm going to chop this up and I'm going to mix it with our mozzarella cheese that we're going to use on our early harvest Italian flatbread. It's time to remove our pickling spices from our pickled jalapenos. So we're just going to lift this out. Squeeze it just a little bit. You don't want to do it too hard because it might break. And you don't want to have to pick all those allspice berries and all that stuff off of these pickled jalapenos. So boom, I'm going to drop this in here. And there they are. And we're going to pick them out of this pickling juice and top our pizza with some. So we're preheating the oven to 425. We have our tandoori flatbread. And we're going to start with some marinara sauce. And spread it all around. And I want to place our Italian meats. These are pepperoni and salami sliced into slices so we can spread them around. The reason I want to put them underneath the cheese is so they don't dry out. I'm going to load this guy up with meat because what are Italians for without meat? We have our chopped oregano and basil from the garden, and we're going to mix it with the mozzarella, all mixed up. And I did this because you don't want the fresh herbs to get crispy and burnt, and usually you just top with fresh herbs after the pizza has come out of the oven, but this way we're going to be able to do it. So we're going to put this evenly all around, and now come our toppings. I have some onion. I wish it was red, but it's not. All I had was white. And we're going to spread those around, and here comes our fake banana peppers, aka pickled jalapenos, and we're going to pop those over top. That's it. This baby's ready to go in the oven. That's what we look like. We're going in for about 20 minutes at 425, and then we're going to top it. Here's our early harvest Italian flatbread sliding off the plate. Well, I'm trying to lift it up so you can see it. Beautiful, brown, crispy. And now we're going to slice it and serve it. Before I plate this, I want to show you what it looks like on the inside. yummy, and can't wait to eat it. Okay, we're on our plate. And just to give it a little extra crunch and a little zing, we're going to take some shredded romaine that I had left over from the romaine salads. We're going to dribble a couple of little drops of the pickling liquid onto this romaine and toss it up. This stuff is sticky as anything. And then we're just going to sprinkle a little bit on top. And now it's ready to eat. Thank you for joining me on Flatbread Friday, and it's Memorial Day weekend, and it's a long one, and it's the official start of summer. And I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Wait to see what I got coming up for the, a barbecue kind of thing for the holiday weekend. And thanks for joining me again, and we'll see you soon.